I want to show you a really simple thing to do that might sound complicated. Basically, we've gotten rid of Bob, let's say. We have a bunch of tasks in our sheet. We have Bob, who is the owner of some tasks, but Bob has made so many mistakes, we got rid of him. But those tasks, those things he needed to do, someone needs to do them. However, we can't just go Command F Bob and delete everything. Look at that. Bob is everywhere. We have made notes. We don't want to delete the word Bob from the entire sheet, just from this column. So how can we do that? Well, we can do Command F and click on the three dots called More Options. And we're going to find Bob and replace with nothing. We're not going to search all sheets. We're going to search a very specific range. Click here and we can select our range. Click OK. And now we can click Replace All Bobs with blank. Let's do that. Replace all. Click Done. And you see that Bob has disappeared. However, all of the notes that have the word Bob are still here. That's how you delete Bob in one column only. Sorry, Bob. See you later. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.